Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to top best story trees for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tree is called Angry Duolingo, and makes the Duolingo icon angry if you have a notification. So people asked me a question this week. I don't really know why. I mean, it's cool, but it's pointless at the same time. But people really wanted this tweak for some reason. And this tree is called Translo, a lifesaver translate tweak. Requires at least iOS 13.0 and up. It's a translate that makes your life easier when chatting with foreigners. It can let you chat any language you want with ease and without going back and forth between translating apps or hidden extra buttons. This is called DLEasy. Basically allows you to download and share images and videos from social apps easily. Supported from iOS 10 to iOS 14. Supports Facebook, Flickr, Instagram, Jodel, LinkedIn, Messenger, MeWe, Pinterest, Reddit, TikTok, Tumblr, Twitch, Tweetbot, Twitter, VK, WhatsApp, and YouTube. Long press to save, share video and image. So pretty cool. This tweak is called AnimeMyBadges, and basically what this tweak does, animates your app badges. The next tweak is called KeyboardColor, and basically customize the keyboard colors. So for your applications, customize keyboard colors for each application separately. More than one color is available for the keyboard. This tweak is actually a widget called tetromina. It's HTML widget, fully functional with custom options. It won't kill your battery, so pretty cool. Next is called WhatsApp Reveal. Many features of the WhatsApp application compatible with iOS 9 to 14.x. You have these features right here for WhatsApp. Next is called timeseconds. Add seconds to status bar time. Next is called QQ. QQ purification. Clean QQ for you. Next is called Pick a Hide. Tweak that disable Snapchat jailbreak tweak detection. Next is called libertylight. It's a general purpose jailbreak detection bypass. So you can basically, block your jailbreak detection. The apps that identify, you can bypass it with this tweak. So you can now use those applications or games. Next is called iOS NJB app. So it's ios9jailbreak.com. So you can see right there. Next is called iosblocks. So, an apps widget for iOS with 3D touch, support compatible with weather, music, Spotify, Cydia, fitness, SMS, clock, calendar, and much more apps. This is called Ruby Beta 1 and Ruby's micro Siri mode in action. This is called repofinder. Find your repos app here to bring you a seamless way to add all your favorite repositories right into your package manager of your choice. This is called ProjectXColorize every app. Who knew that we began a YouTube Reborn update just because, Sarah, the developer, actually left. But, yeah, it has an update. So, it's a YouTube customizer. So, the changelog, a lot of fixes. Next week is called Tree. Tree is colorized identity directory list. Cool, created by Steve Bakey and meant for nits. This is called Unc0ver, or Snowverlay 2. Overlay fallen snowflakes on your device. Next is called SleepSaver. Adds fully customizable screensavers to your iPhone, iPad, or iPod. You have these features right here. So it's compatible with iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. Next is called Current Bypass Unofficial. Supports iOS 12 to 14.2. Before it was only, I believe, 14.1. Now it supports iOS 12 up to 14.2. It's a kernel level jailbreak detection bypass. So this week is kernel level. There's no warranty. Run it at your own risk. So it tells you right here how to use it. Also, with this, the thing I like about this version is that you can just automatically run it in the settings. So you just press one button instead of running the whole commands. So it makes it a lot more easier to turn on and turn off. So you just start the application you want to bypass, and that's it. So if you want to uninstall, just install the package and then reboot, and you're done. So that's really it, guys. For this tweak, let's see. So credits, license, I'm trying to see the update. There you go. Yep, this supports iOS, iPadOS 14.2, added control CC support add-on, and yep, change in, see exactly running, change where FS works. When you run current bypass from settings, it's called from Springboard. Enable only. Slightly tweaked of current bypass on it. It allows more time to execute commands. This is called Translo. Quickly translate any text. This is called emoji attributes, and basically various under the hood fixes for emoji display. Next is called Snapper 2, and basically allows you to basically screenshot a portion of the screen, and you can have like float in, so you can use it for like many different cases. You also can copy the text on, like, you know, if you screenshot that right there, you can automatically copy that text, and then, you know, so it's pretty cool. You can do a lot of, you know, a lot of things with this, and it's so much easier to crop and take screenshots. It's just honestly one of my favorite tweets. It's just been updated, and now actually adds, oh, it's another update. So I made Santa Hat Easter egg show up a little less often, adds ability to display Santa Hat, and adds shadow color option. The version before this, which was updated, was adds QR scanning. This is called GPSFaker GPS, and feature GPS location for your apps and games. Supports up to iOS 14.2. This is called SkinnySettings. Gives you minimal useful and smooth options to make better and more functional your settings application by adding these nice features. This is called Heartlines, and I know there's trembling in your Heartlines, so bring a new lovely design to your lock screen clock. This is called You Up, making sure you won't fall asleep after the alarm. This is called Miriam, and customize your phone forever, so you have 180 plus options to customize your phone with. So it's the biggest update, guys. You can see, whew, that's probably the biggest update I've ever seen. Like the most. Like, that's crazy, man. They updated. You can read it all for yourself. It's too much for me to read myself. But yeah, pretty cool. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.